Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, My Forbidden Lover, which was the second single by Chic from their 1979 album Risque. The song was written and produced by Bernard Edwards and Nile Rodgers and is considered a classic in the annals of the disco genre, although you could call it funk or pop. Keyboard part is digital piano. I'm not entirely sure who played it, but it was likely to have been Robert Sabino, who did a lot of work with the duo during that period. The song is in the key of E minor. It's relatively simple to play. Just look out for the 2/4 bars at the end of the first section and at the end of the chorus section. As usual, a song arrangement and basic chord sheet will be in the description box below. Here's how I might play it.